Welcome to our channel. Today, we are sharing a delicious and nutritious recipe for a high-protein oats breakfast smoothie that supports weight loss and keeps you energized all morning. Scene 1. Benefits. Starting your day with this smoothie has many benefits. It is rich in protein, packed with fiber, provides a steady energy boost, is easy to prepare, and highly versatile. Scene 2. Ingredients. Here is what you will need for the smoothie. Half a cup rolled oats, 1 cup milk, dairy or plant-based, 1 banana, 1 scoop protein powder, vanilla or your preferred flavor, 1 tablespoon peanut butter or almond butter, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, ice cubes optional, honey or maple syrup to taste optional. Scene 3. Instructions. Step by step, we will show you how to make this smoothie. Blend the rolled oats in a blender until they become a fine powder. This ensures a smooth texture. Pour the milk into the blender with the powdered oats. Use your preferred type of milk. Add the banana and a scoop of protein powder. Add a tablespoon of peanut butter or almond butter for creaminess and extra protein. Add the chia seeds, cinnamon, and vanilla extract. If you like it sweeter, add a bit of honey or maple syrup. Blend everything until smooth. Add ice cubes if you like it cold. Pour the smoothie into a glass and enjoy your nutritious breakfast. Scene 4. Tips for weight loss. To make your smoothie even more effective for weight loss, use low-calorie milk alternatives like almond milk or skim milk. Incorporate vegetables like spinach or kale to boost fiber and nutrients without adding many calories. Be mindful of portion sizes. Balance your smoothie with carbohydrates, protein, and fats. Drink a glass of water before or after your smoothie to stay hydrated. Scene 5. Nutritional benefits. Each ingredient in this smoothie offers unique nutritional benefits. Oats provide complex carbohydrates and fiber, keeping you full longer. Bananas add natural sweetness and are rich in potassium and vitamin C. Protein powder boosts muscle repair and growth. Nut butters add healthy fats and protein. Chia seeds are packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. Cinnamon adds flavor and has antioxidant properties. Scene 6. Variations and add-ins. Feel free to customize your smoothie. Add berries for extra antioxidants and vitamins. Incorporate spinach or kale for more nutrients. Use pineapple or mango for a tropical twist. Sprinkle flax seeds or hemp seeds for additional omega-3 fatty acids. Add unsweetened cocoa powder for a chocolate flavor. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy making and drinking this high-protein oats breakfast smoothie. Remember to subscribe for more healthy recipes and tips. Have a great day.